For your 30-day challenge, we're going to go to our modules. In week 2, we're going to see our first 30-day challenge. Using the provided resource, choose a 30-day challenge. Make sure that when you're choosing one, you choose one that you're going to enjoy, and keep in mind what benefits you may want to see. So when you choose it, don't just randomly choose one. Choose one that you think will make you better, either mentally, emotionally, physically, whatever the case may be. Make sure you choose one you think that'll benefit you. Also, make sure you choose one that you think you'll enjoy. This challenge is, at the end of the day, about proving your health, whether mental or physical, and also your dedication and commitment to something. So when I click the blue link here, it's going to take me to the 30-day challenges that I may choose from. The great thing about this is you're going to see a lot of them are physical, but there's going to be some like the de-stress one here that may not be about necessarily just physical, or the no sugar where it's about your diet. And there's one up here somewhere about not cussing for 30 days. It doesn't matter to me which one you select, and we're going to say, for the sake of this one, we're going to do, let's do the iron glute challenge. So once I've selected the 30-day log that I'm going to do, we're going to click the button here, and it's going to bring it up in a Google Doc for you. Just like your physical activity log, I'm going to put my name. Here, I'm going to do iron glute because that is the one I selected, and then I'm going to choose the day I start, and I'm going to count 30 days from there, and I'm going to put the end date as well. All you have to do is initial days that I actually completed the 30-day challenge that I selected. Now let's say I get to day 4 and I completely forget about my challenge. I'm just going to put an X saying I missed that day. Now you're not going to lose credit for days that you miss. I prefer you to be honest and tell me which days you missed. Now, with that being said, if you put an initial in day 1 and one initial in day 30 and you have 28 days of X's, that is an issue. I do not have a problem if you miss a day or two here or there, but let's just shoot for let's try to shoot for less than 10 misses. We'll say even 8. The point is I want you to be honest, and it's trying to get you committed and dedicated to trying to stay in a routine. So once again, we're just going to initial all the days that we do, and any day that we may forget or we miss because we don't have the time, we're just going to put an X, okay? We're going to do that for 30 whole days. Here, I'm just going to write my name verifying that I've done it. If you're doing the paper packet version, you can sign there. And at the end of your 30 days, you're going to answer the following questions. That is really it for your 30-day challenge. Pretty easy activity, guys, and it's something that can not only improve your health, but improve your dedication and commitment to a goal.